Warmly welcome to Anyways Tech. This will be a competition between Mac and Linux, Mac and Windows. Alright, so this article actually talks about what Microsoft should do with Windows 12 to compete with Mac because Apple is not really like waiting to develop game-based features. As you all know that Microsoft already have a feature called Xbox Game Bar. With the help of Start and PUBG, you will get this feature. And this is a feature I used to record my video by the way if you guys didn't know. That's why it's very different. And game bar does allow to record knowledge stuff and a lot of features are there. But however, we not noticed that Microsoft has not released any update to the game bar for the past 1 year, I guess. Actually, I released this video doing released the game bar update. I also personally released not many videos about game bar, or at least one or two videos about game bar. But unfortunately, my game bar is not getting up that much update anymore. So the latest version of game bar doesn't have much major features. That's it. Start in G. Open this. So this is some suggested feature that Microsoft could launch in Windows 12 or even in Windows 11, 23S2 or 24S2, or future version of Windows 11 or directly with Windows 12, 24S2 or 25S2. This S2 and all the other versions, by the way. If you guys didn't know about S2, doesn't matter. It just means version. It's a feature update. It's the main feature update. Microsoft releases on feature update every year, but Windows 10 will not be getting feature update this year. It S2 is the last, 22S2 is the last version for Windows 10 users. But you'll be still getting a security update until October. So Microsoft fully focusing on Windows 11 and possible Windows 12. Alright, other than security update. Now mind, so let's start with topic. So Windows 12 need to go in response and to get stay ahead of backup install. That means the idea is that to release more features to game bar to improve their facility and features. Okay, so it's been 2 years since Windows 11 was released with rumors of its next major upgrade starting to create term announcements. Maybe time for the Microsoft to go all in on gaming this time, I guess. Alright, so this is a lot of major improvements have come for Starsbar, Windows, Vespo, and many more. Alright. They also launched a game mode that is similar to the game bar. The game bar that's already released in Windows long time ago. Windows 10 itself have the feature. It's nothing really new, but it was updated for a few times. However, Microsoft did not release an update for a long time, which is surprising, but they did release some gaming updates to Windows 11, including the DirectX 12 feature, which is available only in Windows 11, not in Windows 10. Alright, so there are some features in there in Windows 11 but not there in Windows 10. Microsoft did propose a plan to release some in Windows 10, but I don't think they ever launched any features in Windows 10 afterwards. Anyway, but the Windows 11 had this feature. However, the idea is that Microsoft Mac is trying to put a Windows-based gaming. So this is going to be real competitive because Windows-based gaming is a lot of games that's available in Windows but not in Mac. So the idea is to one similar to what Microsoft is doing with Android to bring Android apps and games to Windows. Apple is also doing similar work now to bring Windows games on MacBook. This is kind of real competition. You bring a foreign of the non-Windows, non-operating system, another operating system, which is kind of really strange but very cool at the same time. And I thought it'd be natively, not by first hand, but natively. I mean, offers main official big ones also. So Microsoft has to keep basic game on side. So this is why Windows 12 further indicate how to expose the game bar to versus work on all games on PPC and not as fans for you at Microsoft Store. As you know, Microsoft Store is the most popular app store in Microsoft, and it says over here that's the Microsoft Store is very popular. That is more basically almost most of the games are only in Microsoft Store. There's also another app store, other game store inside Microsoft Store, like Epic Game Launcher. This game Windows 11 inside Microsoft Store. It's now available for Microsoft Store for Windows 10 as well. So Microsoft Store is a basic sub store for Windows users who upgrade the first-hand operating system, we also call the first-party operating system or first-party app store. So the XPOS and Game Pass are two different things actually. It's not really the same thing. XPOS application and XPOS is an app, and Game Pass is like an extension within Windows 11 itself, and all of both of these are built in. But I think you can. I'm not sure you can delete XPOS or not. Not really sure about that. Anyway, let's come back to the topic. You can also get some Game Pass, which is another cool feature, but unfortunately, this game Microsoft is not focused more on gaming features, which is not really appreciated, but you can use a lot of features including using your CPU, GPU, and RAM. There's also a feature called SDR mode for the game, which is available on Windows 11 already. Beating Apple on is by your own game. So Microsoft has sustained say for years it's available on many platforms as possible. Everyone knows about this feature attempt to buy Atomos recent which is made it, and also that when the Xbox Game Boss will be available on other Steam platforms, including the GeForce Now. Windows 12 less gaming even further, including the Xbox Achievement platform would be a good start. This may cover the Xbox Achievement features, so this is very cool feature where achievement points. As well, do you know that you can actually earn points in Microsoft Reward using playing games like Asphalt 9? You can get 10 points per base, I guess, something similar like that. Yeah, I got points. I did try that experiment that and it really worked. So if you didn't know, you can actually try it. If you did try, congratulations. Have a nice day. Um, so the equal thing will get the big screen mode. So big screen mode is another cool feature I could have announced. Xbox is app is eligible for the first game mode. Is very nice feature, very nice platform, very nice design. Microsoft finally launched a nice design, but I hope they don't spoil the design in the future. I hope they keep the design as it is, because Microsoft is already known for popular for uh, making good stuff and then spoiling that good stuff and replacing something that nobody wants. That's Microsoft's problem. And I totally agree that. And I don't know what to say about that as well. Alright, so you can also if you want to expose games from Windows, it's available. And also you can also launch safe mode. Visibility feature also available. You can also launch visibility feature on Windows Open Store using first party application itself. So Windows 12 should be one in ground gaming, one in with gaming, and you should be able to play the game and favorite games anywhere in this day and age. Let's see how big level up when it comes to this first Windows companies also continue paying on Microsoft platform. So it's going to be very competitive in the future because Windows and Apple is coming up catching up very fast than Windows. I'm a bit surprised about that. Usually Windows is Microsoft somehow finds a new way to compete, but this time Apple is focused so much. They're focusing completely on technology. This is really surprising. They have defeated Microsoft in many cases. Microsoft and elite company including Intel and they are in very intense competition in Nvidia, and Nvidia is still very highly competitive. So it's not really possible to defeat Nvidia yet. So Nvidia is still leading against Apple, but Intel is in real serious competition with both Nvidia and Apple. As Nvidia Apple is on focusing on its own features, and as you know, the also M2 and all the modern technology is going to be really competitive in the future. And we'll see how this competition will keep going. As Microsoft recent launch of wizard features and all the old features when Windows users were looking for a very long time back, they wanted the wizard features back in the desktop. Microsoft this hint that they might launch. I mean, I don't know, Microsoft hinted to somebody else that's saw some document and he found out that it's coming to Windows 11 or not. I don't know. That it's about wizard coming to the desktop. So people are talking wizards coming to desktop, which is very cool update. But this confirmed that the new with desktop will get new more features like grouping. However, I'm not sure this. I have not heard any news about the grouping feature on desktop yet. But I heard this back in March. But after that, I don't March or February, I guess. But after that, I don't not heard any news about it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you take good, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and have a nice day. If there's new updates, I'll be informing you guys. Have a nice day.